The next item on our menu is maintenance records. This would be the accumulated information from maintenances performed that have been entered into the system. When I click on maintenance records, of course, I get the options window again. I'm going to click forever for my time frame and include all assets. For the maintenance type, I'll select routine general maintenance and then the specific maintenance reminder I have interest in. Let's look at the maintenance reminder that we just used in our last video segment. I don't want to skip any records, and I don't need to show any archived assets. When I click Apply Changes, a record of when the previous services were performed populates to the table. If I know a vehicle has actually been serviced, but the service is not listed, I have the option to add a maintenance record or even to bulk import maintenance history. If I want to see what maintenances are coming due, I can click on Upcoming Maintenance. Let's see what's coming up for this month. I'll select all of our assets. I'm not going to make any other selections here on maintenance type and maintenance reminders because I want to see everything. Now I have a list of everything that is upcoming and overdue, and most of it appears to be overdue. If I know a service has actually been completed, we can click to update that it has been done. I believe I actually had this one done in September when I replaced a tire. If you'd like, you can choose to add your costing information or any other comments that you may want to include with the details in your maintenance history. When done, I'll click Save, and then this one will come off the list. Here's another one. I know I had my car detailed on November 10th, so I'm going to go ahead and enter that maintenance and update the list as well. From this screen, we also have some additional navigation buttons. We can pull this information into a report, or we can navigate back to add another new reminder.